I'm Neil Walder for Kit Guru. I'm here at the Pro Gamers Wear booth area, which is not actually a brand in its own right. It's like an umbrella company that has a whole bunch of brands, which is essentially Caseking of Germany. One of their companies is Overclockers in the UK. There are other outlets across Europe, which frankly have little interest to us in the UK. Kit Guru, Overclockers, we know each other. Caseking we have some dealings with. So we've got a bunch of things. Let's start with Co-Link cases here. Mainly because, look at the RGB once again. So every single case, apart from the top ones are coloured, everything else is black. And then we're into really subtle points of differentiation. These are budget-ish brand cases. So for example, this here, it's got a mesh front panel, which we've seen a million times before. That particular Co-Link, that is the feature. You'll notice there's no product card. They haven't yet come up with a name for it. This prototype W case across here, on the other hand, I'm quite liking the look of that because that is obviously glass, fan. I'm gonna guess it doesn't come with the fans you can see. The fact it says up to this many and support for that. Support for three 360mm radiators? Wowza, okay, that's pretty nifty. Nonetheless, loads of RGB and it's on show. This here has just, what was the name we gave for that?
Horizon.
All right. This Co-Link has apparently been named Horizon about 10 minutes ago. And here the feature, and again, as I say, points of differentiation, you've got RGB, it's blacked out around the fans. So you see the fan coming through the paint in the glass. Subtle points of differentiation, absolutely fine. The cases themselves look like they're really average mainstream cases. Nothing massively exciting, perfectly solid products. If we go around to the chairs and the EHA awards, so Noblechairs, EHA award winners, we've got the Epic, we've got the Icon, and up the top we've got the Hero. For some reason it was due to be released like for this show, instead it's being released in a week, so pretty much the day this show finishes. Quite peculiar, but there it is. There's one that we've photographed Brian Ian, which is the other side of the booth. I'm not climbing up there for you lot, sorry to say, I'll break my neck. And we also have the Icon in white across there. Again, we've got photos. Those chairs seem to be full of people at the moment. That's the Icon in white there. You can just about see it under that fella. The Hero here, they're saying the significant feature is lumbar support, so you don't need to have a separate cushion. You can just adjust it to fit. Near this chair, we've got some der 8auer cooling stuff, and we've got two systems, both by 8-pack. The Orion X we're familiar with. This is the showcase of all showcases. This is a £30,000 PC built by 8-pack from Overclockers. It's a triple loop setup. We saw it last year. I think I saw it on the Azus ROG booth. So it's just the top line of absolutely everything. To say it's £30,000 is picking a number out of the air, because the point is the specification is entirely flexible. So it's just the most of everything ever in one PC. This is the Infinite Hunter. Now, we've done some Infinite products from Overclockers. We've done a few of their systems. Relatively speaking, they're expensive compared to other PC builders. By 8-pack standards, they're cheap. They're inspired by 8-pack. Here we have the der 8auer 8-pack literature we've seen it many times. This is called the Hunter. It's a single loop, £7,500. Clearly, you're getting a fraction of the hardware, but you do still get the same case. It still looks bling. It's going to perform. It's dual loop. So a quarter of the price, certainly more than a quarter of the hardware, absolutely no doubt about it. I'm not sure what the overclocking is. Oh, here we go. Core i7 7820X, overclocked at least 4.7 gigahertz. Very nice too. And apparently, according to that, it's a flagship. There we go. They mean flagship. And we go around, we've got some der 8auer stuff. Oh, this is fun. I had to ask what the heck this is. It's a graphics card support. Stop Your Sag, specifically the creator Sage Eliminator, but they mean SAG. We've seen a much simpler thing from Fantex just the other day. It's a bit of metal that hooks down on that and pulls the graphics card straight. And then we have some cooling from der 8auer. This is phase change cooling, so I'm certain this is not a product. I'm certain this is him having fun and getting media attention, so result, job done. But it's just absolutely industrial in the nth degree. Hysterical. That is an overclocked 7900K. I don't know what speed that's running at though. Should have asked. Never mind. And obviously that mental processor with a GTX 1050 Ti, because the graphics just do not matter in this context. Going around, Aqua XLR. Look, submerged. It's all under liquid. That's phase change submerged for you. Overclocked Core i7 7800, X6 cores, X299. And then we go around again. And there's no product details on this. I'm quite sure that's because it's the der811, which was developed with and by der8auer. So this is the der8auer corner. So that looks very pretty. You can get a lot of hardware in that case. I'm liking those two 8-pack systems over there in the Fantex cases. Absolutely extreme. Impressive stuff. We've got a load of stuff here, from cooling systems to high-end PCs to chairs to budget cases. Really good going. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. If you want more from Kit Guru, click to subscribe. Hit the bell button. We'll tell you about more videos as they become available. I'm Leo Woodard for Kit Guru, here at the, well, essentially Caseking Overclockers booth.